Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an image watermark in Google Docs. Now as you can see here, I have a watermark, but this one is a text, and I can go ahead and I can move this around and do whatever I want by double clicking on it. But let's say I want to use an image instead. How do I go about doing that? Simply go ahead and click on insert, then go to watermark. And from here, you can see that I have the image watermark. I'm going to go ahead and remove the image one from here. And once I remove it, you will see that it's no longer there, right? So I'm going to go back into the watermarks here. Then just select the image option instead and click select image. Here you can choose something from your Google Drive. You can basically search Google. You can upload from your computer by simply clicking the browse there and upload an image of your choice. Now I'm going to choose something from my drive here. Let's select this option here. And I'm going to select the image. You just need to go ahead and click on insert and it's there. Now, once you have that image there, you can go ahead and you can position it the way you want. If it's not centered, you can just basically position it to your liking. Right now, you can also go ahead and use a scaling as well. So you can choose if you want it to be 150%, and you can make it even to 200%, or whichever option you choose. Keep in mind that when you scale it, so for example, I scale it to 150%, I might need to try to position it more to the middle by simple dragging it and just position it to the middle how I like. So you want to keep that in mind. You can always resize it as well by, making it smaller by dragging one side to the next and just kind of position it the way you want, right? So you have this different option, guys, to basically do that. Now you can also go to more image and you have more further controls that you can do. You can do the position, you can do the adjustment, you can do the opacity, you can do all of those good stuff here. Position, you can choose if you want it to the left, to the right, or if you want to center it like that. That's also a way how you can basically do it as well. You have all of those good stuff, left axis, y axis. You can basically find yourself, you can basically choose all of these different options. Now once you're satisfied, just simply click the X here in the upper right. You have it. Just simply click on done. You also have the option to fade and not fade. So if you want to not fade it, you can have it like that really bright, but obviously the fade is what makes it a watermark, because at least it's gonna still allow you to type and it's not gonna, let's say, distract someone from the text on the Google Docs document. So that's very much important. So once you're done, guys, just simply click on done and the watermark is there. And that's how you add image watermark in Google Docs.